How to contact Libertex customer support. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on the More section from the bottom bar. This is where you can access account settings, features and support option. Next, scroll down and you will see the Help and Feedback section. Here you will see Live Chat, which allows you to get instant assistance from the support team. You will also see help and support where you can find answers to frequently asked questions and common issues. There is an email also option to send detailed queries directly to Libertex and support by messenger for quick assistance through social media platform. By using this support option, you can resolve account issue, get guidance on deposit or withdrawals and receive help with trading feature. Now you know how to contact Libertex customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips.